How to request a delivery driver. Log in and select the button titled View All Orders. Scroll through the order list and find the order you would like delivered. The order must be a delivery to request a driver. Select the 3 lines to view all options. First, get a delivery service estimate. Choose what time you would like the order picked up. If delivery service is available for this order, you will be provided an estimated delivery time and fee. You may now officially request a driver. If it is a future order, you may want to choose a time prior to the ready for time. If you need a driver right away, please use the ASAP option. The third-party service will give you an estimated pickup time, delivery time, and fee. If accepted, the order icon will change to an hourglass. Once a driver confirms the order, it will switch to the third-party symbol. If you need to cancel a request, view all options and select Cancel Delivery Request. You have now learned how to request a third-party delivery driver.